In this video, I'm going to show you a reaction that puts a carboxylic acid on a benzene ring. Let's jump right in. This is benzene, and this is an alkyl group on a benzene ring. And one neat trick in organic chemistry, we can take a compound like KMnO4, potassium permanganate, and it's chock full of oxygen atoms. It's a strong oxidizer, a strong oxidizing agent. And KMnO4, when it oxidizes the benzylic position, that's the position right next door to the benzene ring, the benzylic position. And it takes those hydrogens, starts to take those hydrogens off, and fully oxidizes that carbon to this carboxylic acid. So we can make a carboxylic acid on a benzene ring. And one of the neat tricks about this is it doesn't have to be a methyl group. It could be any kind of alkyl group. You could have like an ethyl. It does the same thing. It lops everything off except for that one carbon and turns it into a carboxylic acid. As long as there's one hydrogen on that carbon, this will work. So we could do it with an isopropyl, and let's put a propyl down here. We add enough KMnO4, it lops. There's hydrogens on the carbon right next door to the benzene, so it lops everything off except for one of those carbons and turns them into carboxylic acids. The only caveat to this is if there's no hydrogens on that, like a terbutyl group, then this does not work. It does not oxidize it. So that's a pretty simple trick on taking a carbon group that's attached to a benzene ring at the benzylic positions and fully oxidizing it with this strong oxidizer, KMnO4. I hope that helps. Please subscribe to the channel so I can help you more with organic chemistry.